Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple and powerful 2-minute trading strategy for pocket option, specially designed for beginners. This strategy uses just two indicators, Bollinger Bands and MACD, with easy settings and very clear buy and sell rules. If you are new to trading, don't worry at all. I will explain everything step by step with live chart examples, so anyone can follow it easily. Now, before we go ahead, here's a quick but very important risk reminder. Trading always involves risk, and you can lose money. This video is shared only for educational purposes, not financial advice. Always practice on a demo account first, and only trade with money you can afford to lose. Please trade responsibly. So if you want a simple, rule-based short-term strategy, make sure you watch this video till the end, because missing even one rule can affect your results. Let's begin. For this strategy, we use two technical indicators, Bollinger Bands and the MACD indicator. The Bollinger Bands are set with a period of 6 and a deviation of 1.2 to capture short-term price movements accurately. The MACD indicator is configured with a fast period of 8, a slow period of 20, and a signal period of 8 to clearly identify momentum shifts. The candle time frame for this strategy is fixed at 2 minutes, and the expiry time is also set to 2 minutes for every trade. This strategy can be applied in both the real market and the OTC market. To take a buy trade, you must wait for clear confirmation from both indicators. A buy setup is formed when the blue line of the MACD crosses above the red line and starts moving upward with strength. At the same time, the MACD histogram should move above the zero line and stay firm, showing bullish momentum. Along with this, the slope of all three Bollinger Band lines must point clearly upward, confirming an uptrend. Once all these conditions match together, you should place the buy trade at the opening of the very next candle with an expiry time of exactly 2 minutes. To take a sell trade, you must again wait for proper confirmation from both indicators. A sell setup is formed when the red line of the MACD crosses above the blue line and starts moving upward, while the MACD histogram moves below the zero line and stays firm, showing bearish momentum. At the same time, the slope of all three Bollinger Band lines must clearly point downward, confirming a downtrend. Once all these conditions match together, you should place the sell trade at the opening of the very next candle, with an expiry time of exactly 2 minutes. This strategy should always be practiced first on a demo account before using it on a real account. You should strictly avoid trading during high-impact news. Always follow proper risk management and never overtrade. This strategy is shared only for educational purposes, and all trading decisions must be taken at your own risk. Now, I know keeping track of all these rules while trading can be tricky, especially when you are just starting out. That's why I have created a free step-by-step checklist PDF that breaks down every single rule in this strategy. You can download it right now from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. You can keep it open on your phone or on a second screen while trading for easy reference. And if you are finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more traders like you. Let's jump into the charts. You can clearly see a strong bullish setup forming on the chart, and the momentum is already shifting in the upward direction. The conditions were lining up well, so I entered a bit early, and I'll be honest, that was a small mistake on my part. According to our rules, we should always wait for the candle to fully close before entering any trade. Entering too early can sometimes lead to false signals and unnecessary losses. So now, instead of rushing, I will stay patient and let this candle complete. Once the candle closes, I will carefully recheck all conditions, and if everything still matches, I will enter the buy trade on the next candle only. This is exactly how we maintain discipline and trade safely. Alright, now the candle has fully closed and all the conditions are still perfectly valid. The MACD confirmation remains strong, bullish momentum is clearly visible, and the Bollinger Bands are still sloping upward. This time, I'm entering the buy trade exactly as per the rules, on the opening of the new candle. This is how we trade with patience and confirmation instead of rushing into the market. You can now see how price is slowly reacting after our entry. The market is moving step by step in the same direction as our setup, which is exactly what we want to see after a proper confirmation trade. And there you go. The trade has closed successfully in profit. This is a perfect example of what happens when you follow the rules with patience instead of emotion. Now, let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup as per our rules. Now the candle has fully confirmed the bullish setup, and all our strategy conditions are aligned perfectly. Momentum is strong, The structure supports the upward move, and confirmation is clearly visible. This time, the buy trade is taken with full discipline on the new candle, without any early entry. This is exactly how we want to execute: calm, confirmed, and rule-based. After the entry, you can see how price immediately starts pushing upward with strength. The candles are forming confidently, showing that buyers are in control. This phase is where patience is tested the most because emotions often try to interfere. But instead of reacting to every small movement, we stay focused on the setup and allow the trade to mature naturally. And now the trade has closed successfully in profit. Now, we will stay disciplined and patiently wait for the next high-quality trade setup as per our rules. At this point, the market was showing signs of slowing down after moving up. The candles were losing strength, and the setup looked suitable for a short downward move. After the candle closed and the conditions matched our rules, I placed the sell trade calmly and without any hurry. This entry was based on the strategy, not on guesswork. After entering the trade, the price moved slowly and did not fall strongly as expected. For a short time, the market stayed almost sideways, and then buyers started pushing the price upward again. This shows that even when conditions look good, the market can still change direction. Now the trade has closed in a loss. This is completely normal in trading and happens with every strategy. No strategy can win 100% of the time. The most important thing is that this trade was taken by following the rules properly. Losses like this teach us to stay disciplined, control emotions, and focus on long-term consistency instead of one single result. That's it for today's video, traders. You've now seen both a winning trade and a losing trade, so you can understand clearly how this strategy works in real market conditions. Remember, no strategy is perfect, and losses are a normal part of trading. What truly matters is following the rules, managing risk, and staying disciplined. If you are a beginner, I strongly recommend practicing this strategy on a demo account first until you gain full confidence. Never risk money that you cannot afford to lose. This content is shared only for educational purposes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future strategy videos. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel for the free checklist, PDF, and regular updates. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.